Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up Duo Mobile for Gmail. First, there's an important distinction. Duo Mobile is commonly used for two-factor authentication with organizations that uses Duo security. And for a regular personal Gmail account, Google's own two-step verification options are usually used instead. If your organization uses Duo to protect your Google Workspace account, then your administrator may require you to enroll your account with Duo Mobile. So start by following the enrollment link or instructions provided by your organization. Then install the official Duo Mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. During the enrollment, follow the instruction to add your account to Duo Mobile. Here you may need to scan a QR code or complete another verification step. Once enrollment is complete, test the login process. And when signing into your protected Google account, follow the Duo prompt or verification method provided by your organization. So that was how to set up Duo Mobile for a Gmail or Google Workspace account when your organization requires it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.